Hey guys, my name is Jason HARROP, Senior Design Lead at Mojo Media Labs, and this is your daily marketing hugs, helping you grow smarter. Welcome back guys. So today we're going to talk about working remotely within a results-only work environment. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is building a dedicated space that makes you comfortable. So some of the things that you can do within your environment are hang up pictures to draw inspiration from, have a collection as you can see behind me, have family portraits to bring happiness, and then also just making sure that your environment doesn't have any distractions. So let's talk about distractions. So sometimes they're unavoidable, especially when you're working from home, you've got family, you've got kids, you may have a roommate, all of these things. And sometimes it's very hard to find an enclosed place where you can get away from these things. So it's really important to be upfront, set up a schedule, plan out your day so that those interruptions don't happen while you're in the middle of a project. And then also communicate those things with your family, communicate those things with your roommate or whoever, just to let them know that, from this time and on, you're not going to be available. That way they know not to walk in and interrupt you. So that leads us to communication. Communication is extremely important. Not only do sometimes people forget, they get so involved with their work that they forget to communicate. But here at Mojo, we have some of the tools that allows us to communicate with one another. Some of those tools consist of Zoom, Slack, and then email. And a couple of those applications are in our previous episode that you can check out on design collaboration tools. So take breaks. When setting up your schedule and planning out your day, you should be able to integrate break time so that after working on a project for a long period of time, to step out, recharge, come back. This will give you a higher productivity rate and then also allow you to get the project done quicker. It's highly recommended that you don't just stay in your office. Leave the environment. Go out, go on a walk, play with your kids, play with your dog, whatever gets you out of your environment so that you can get a full mindset recharge. So time tracking and project management are really good together. Not only do they allow you to keep track of estimates of a project, but then also on the project management side, it keeps you organized. So the two applications that we use here at Mojo are Harvest and then also ClickUp. And I'll put the links down below so you guys can check those out. So Harvest. Harvest is a time tracking tool that keeps track of all the time that your team puts in on projects. It's a pretty affordable application and includes a handful of features such as time and expense tracking, powerful reporting, unlimited invoices, project budget alerts, and lots of other features. So let's check out the ClickUp website. ClickUp is a project management tool that allows teams to go in, set up due dates, schedule tasks, put in and find estimates, basically keep track of your clients. All right guys, well that's it for today on working remote in a results-only work environment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified when new content comes out. And then this is your daily marketing hugs, helping you grow smarter.